guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen, and today I just wanted to do like a little day in the life video of my trip to Virginia Beach with my cousins. I do apologize because some of the faces are cut out. When I filmed the video, I did it vertically versus horizontally, so please forgive me. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I really hope you guys really enjoy the video. And stay tuned towards the end of the video because I do have like extra little clips of stuff that I didn't, cover in my day in the life video. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Karen, and today I'm gonna do a day in the life video. Right now I'm at Virginia Beach with my cousins. Can I show you guys? Hey, there's Alexis and Chesney, represent. Yes, so stay tuned. Alexis, what are we doing today?
Today we are going to the aquarium, then we are going to the seafood boil, then we're going to an escape room.
Yes.
I don't know if it's going to be in that order, but yeah, that's what we're going to do today. Then we're going to go to the magnificent Virginia Beach. Okay, see, this is where we're going to stand at. You see those people that's out there all the way in the back? You see that person right there in that boat, in that little tube thing?
They're pointing at the ocean though.
They're not us. We're not going to be like them. We're going to be like the people putting their feet in the water. The feet. Yeah.
She said.
We're not going to be like them because I can't swim. I'm going to drown. Then I'm going to end up in like Cancun or something if I float away.
Eventually.
Two. Three. Lex here. I just want to tell y'all we went to go get some hennas done. Karen, show me your henna. Well, if you want to, show me your henna. That one looks pretty good. And then never mind. So change of plans. We're not going to no aquarium today. We're gonna wait till tomorrow to go to the aquarium. Today we are doing the escape room, strip walk, mini golf. We did mini golf. That thing was busting. Like that was good. That was good. Then we're gonna go to the beach. Then we're gonna hang out and yeah. Okay. Y'all, I forgot to add the most important thing. We finna go eat some seafood.
Seafood boil.
Let's get it. We gotta walk 5 minutes to my damn car. Let's get it. What's up, y'all? So we are at the Twisted Crab right now. We ordered us some seafood boils, the T1 kind, It's gonna be busting Janelle. The sweet tea, good. 1,000 out of 10. This water, good. 1,000 out of 10. All right, holla. I'll holla at y'all in a minute when we get off the meat.
Garlic butter and Cajun.
That's me.
Y'all need anything else?
No, ma'am.
Good. Thank you.
I'll be back in a few to check up on y'all.
Okay.
Yay.
I thought we had like
All right, y'all. Here we are. The moment of truth. Are crab legs really that good? Okay, because like for real, this is like my first time ever trying crab legs. So
Wait.
we're finna see.
Tell us, what did we get?
Oh, okay. So we got the T1 crab legs with that had. I mean, the T1 combo that has crab legs, sausage, corn on the cob, and shrimps with no head.
Potatoes.
Oh, and potatoes. Okay, and they got medium spicy. She got garlic on hers.
I got Cajun.
Cajun, and I got Cajun mild. Okay, because it's my first time being here. I ain't got time for like the spiciness.
And we got Cajun fries.
Oh yeah, she got fries. So we'll let y'all know how it tastes. I mean, Karen may or may not record, you know, while our hands look dirty and stuff. I'm really scared. I think I'm gonna eat it one hand or something. Like I'm really.
Alexis, what do you think of the food today?
Orange juice or water? I mean, orange juice and apple juice.
What?
Oh, I mean, yeah, the food was good. Pretty good and stuff. Like a pig that's gonna pop. But apple juice or orange juice?
Apple juice?
Orange juice, thank you.
Stephanie, what do you think of the food?
The fries are good. The seafood
In
bowl,
detail.
the potatoes and corn was good, but the shrimp was good. The crab was hard to open. The sausage was gross. Don't recommend.
What sauce did you get again?
She said the sausage.
Oh,
Sausage was
Oh,
not
this
good.
is sauce,
The
my
sauce
bad.
that I got was garlic medium.
Did you recommend that sauce?
No,
Okay.
it doesn't taste like garlic bread. If you're thinking, it's gross.
Well, I recommend the medium. I'm staring. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. This is so disrespectful. Stop, I may be looking cockeyed. But anyway, I recommend the french fries for sure. Okay. I also recommend y'all to have the crab legs. This is my first time ever eating crab legs. And girl, when I tell you, I was pulling that meat out like it's nothing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, folks. So I got the Creole medium spicy, and I got the same thing these people got. This one and the other one got the crab legs, the shrimps, the corn, and the potatoes. And I liked it overall. I would recommend it. Yeah, totally. One of the tops. Bam.
What was your favorite?
What's my favorite? My favorite meat?
What was your favorite out of the bowl?
My favorite would probably be the corn. Second favorite would probably be maybe the crab legs, even though they made me work really hard to get the meat. Overall, I really like the crab meat, but it was a lot of effort. I didn't appreciate that. Gotta do better crab legs. Okay.
Whatsoever.
Yeah, that's why I was questioning you. What happened to your eyebrows?
What do you mean they're always like that?
They were not always like that.
What do you mean?
I don't think they were always like that.
Well, when I was a child, I had eyebrows.
And then they just disappeared as you got older.
When I'm a fully adult, I don't have.
A few moments later.
Welcome to Escape to Win. Thanks for joining us on this live.
Alright. Alexis, what'd you think of the escape room?
It was pretty fun. Just, you know, I felt a little dumb because like all the clues in there was kind of hard, but at the same time it was kind of common sense because they were right in front of you.
I didn't feel it at all. I thought it was extremely difficult. Chesney, what was your thoughts?
I thought it was fun.
It was
Some of the
fun.
clues were to throw you off track. I would give it a 10 out of 10. Highly recommend.
Highly recommend you
Ooh,
said.
yeah, 10 out of 10. Let's do it again.
Honestly, though, if it wasn't for this girl right here, you would still be locked up in the room.
Oh, no, that'd be
Also, they also gave us 1 extra minute because we needed it.
Yes, they were the best.
The absolute best. Would recommend this place. What's it called?
Escape to Win.
Escape to Win. Thank you, Chesney.
Yay!
Yay! Yes.
My alarm went off.
Finally. Try the sauce.
Oh my god, it tastes like an apple.
I feel like he's judging me.
It's like they have to share this place with you.